All right, guys, I did 3.18 miles. I hope you guys can see that well. Got my morning walk in the way, and I'm glad that it is over. Let's get home and get ready for the day. Rico. Say hi, bud. Say hello, my YouTube family and friends. Guys, this is Rico. This is our little buddy. He is the sweetest parakeet, just the sweetest. All right, we're gonna get started with dinner right now, Rico. Yes, we are. Say bye. Pork chops, I seared them on the stove, and now they're going in the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. And that's gonna be dinner. All right, everybody, so my garlic butter pork chops are ready. I'm gonna show you guys in a video how I made these. So very simple, but these are very delicious, tender and juicy. And we're gonna pair this with some broccoli that I sauteed over here. I only have a little bit left, but it's just for Angelina and I. But yeah, this is going to be dinner. Hey everybody, so I am right now getting ready to repot my basil. You guys, I had showed you this. I'll try to go back to the clip and find it. I showed you this basil plant when I had first bought it. I think I got it from Trader Joe's. Well guys, it's doing horrible. And number one, it needs to be repotted. So you guys know I love basil, and I want some beautiful fresh basil here at my home. I've told you guys that so many times. And so I've tried to grow some, I think on 2 occasions here on my channel. My plants have died on me, so I'm going for it again. I'm gonna keep going until I get this right. So I've got my basil here. There is still life on here, guys, even though it does look bad. There's still life on here, and some of these leaves still look pretty good. So I'm going to do the best I can to salvage this plant. I'm going to revive it and bring it back to life. And so I did a little bit more research. I got me some soil here. I hope this is a good soil. This is Better Homes and Gardens. I got this from Walmart. Better Homes and Gardens, natural and organic soil. It's supposed to be good for herbs and things like that. Hopefully it has all the nutrients and everything it needs in it. But I also did some research here. I've got my iPad here, and it's telling me everything that I need to do to make sure that I can grow a successful basil plant. So it says, number one, to keep them warm. Number two, so I can do that. Number two, to ensure proper drainage. So I have this right here, this pot. I didn't go get anything fancy because right now I'm just wanting to concentrate on keeping it alive and getting it growing. And then maybe I can fancy it up and put it in something beautiful. But right now I just want it to thrive. So I have this from some mums that I bought last year. I'm gonna use this because it looks like it has the proper drainage at the bottom. It says to keep the soil moist. Gonna do that. Number 4, it says to water the soil and not the leaves. It says to fertilize properly. I'm gonna research what proper fertilization is. I have a good YouTube friend on here, R&B, the Garden Nanny. I'm gonna also tag you in this. Let me know what good fertilization is for basil. I'll look it up, but just getting those tips from you. Her work is amazing, guys. I'll leave the link to her channel. I love her before and afters on her videos, so go and check her out as well. So yeah, R&B, if you know some good fertilization for my basil, let me know. It says to harvest them early and to harvest often, and then it says to prune like a pro. So those things I've got to learn, how to properly harvest. I can definitely harvest often because I use it often, but I have got to learn how to prune like a pro. So I'm going to keep in mind those 8 steps, and hopefully I'll be able to grow successful basil, okay, without it dying on me. So I'm going to do that now. I'm going to repot this plant, and hopefully I'll bring it back to life. But she looks pitiful, guys. She looks really, really bad. Again, she has some nice ones on here, and I'm just praying that I have not damaged her completely yet. But let's go. Let's do this. And y'all pray for me because I want to be successful here. I'm in my garage doing this as well. So I'm on the side of the carport. My husband's got the car in the driveway right now, so I don't have to. So I have a little bit of space here. But anyway, put the camera down, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna do this. I don't know if it's right or not, but you know, we shall see. I've replanted the basil plant, guys, and these are the ones that I had to get rid of, the ones that had died, and I still have like these little stems here. I don't know if I need to clip these or what, but again, there are still some good ones on here, and I'm hoping that what I have done is enough. So if any of my gardener friends out there, if you have any suggestions on what I can do to keep my plant alive, any suggestions to help out, I greatly appreciate them. But all right, let's see how she goes. And as always, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. All right, guys, so this is my dinner today. I guess I'm being a bit of a carnivore today, all meat and nothing else. So I've got some beef brisket right here and some turkey sausage. My brother made this, you guys. It is so delicious. This beef brisket is so unbelievably tender. Turkey sausage is so good, and it's just turkey sausage that he got from Kroger. I'm gonna find out the name of that brand because this turkey sausage is divine. But anyway, this is gonna be my dinner, and then that's gonna be it for today. That is all I'm going to eat. I am gonna come back because I have some coconut and some Lily's chocolates in my pantry that I need to use, and so I'm gonna make these. I'm gonna throw together like a haystack type cookie recipe. But anyway, this is my dinner, guys. I'm gonna eat, and I'll be back with you a little bit later. Hey everybody, so right now I'm going to use up some of these goodies that I have in here. I had this bag of coconut that I need to use up. I only had a little bit left. Let me show you guys some unsweetened shredded coconut right here. I want to use that up, and one thing I've noticed that has helped me to stay successful and stay away from sweets is if I have readily available some good, decent keto sweets already. I made those butterscotch haystack cookies last week, and I haven't messed up and gotten any of these drumsticks and things that my husband bought, these drumstick ice cream bars, because I have those. So right now I'm gonna make me kind of like a recipe similar to those butterscotch haystack cookies, but I'm gonna use the shredded coconut. I'm gonna use these walnuts here, and I'm gonna use Lily's milk chocolate. And so I don't know what it's gonna turn out like. I'm gonna show you guys what I do, and you'll see the final result, whether it's successful or not. We shall see. But anyway, let me show you guys these. I'm getting ready to toast my coconut right now. All right, so I've got some coconut here. I'm getting ready to put it in my toaster oven and toast these up. And then in the meantime, I'm gonna get all of my other stuff together. The chocolate, and I need some butter and some almond butter. So I'm gonna get all that stuff together. Put that in. All right, so I'm gonna make my haystack cookies with these Lily's white chocolate style baking chips. These right here. I have the white chocolate, I have the butterscotch, which you guys have seen me make, and I also have the milk chocolate. I'm gonna go with the white chocolate. I tasted a couple of these chips, and they taste really, really good, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use the white chocolate instead of the milk chocolate. To this, I'm going to add, I'm gonna make it just like I did the butterscotch, which I got from the My Keto Friends channel. I'm just gonna be using white chocolate chips. Okay, so I have my butter in there. I've got 2 tablespoons of butter. Now I'm gonna go in with some almond butter. Another 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna pop this in the microwave now for 30 seconds. All right, so I've got my walnuts here. I'm gonna crush these up a little, just a little bit more, okay? Just because they're really big, I don't want them that big, as big as they are. I don't want them really, really teeny either. Just a little bit smaller than what they are because the chunks are quite big. Okay, move my walnuts out of the way. All right, we've got this back out of the microwave. Let's give it another mix. Yes, so good. Now to this, we're gonna add walnuts, and we're adding 1/4 of a cup of walnuts. Oh my goodness. This right here smells so good. So 1/4 of a cup of walnuts going in. And then we're gonna add our toasted coconut. I'm getting this out now. You guys see the toasted coconut? It smells good. If you guys are coconut lovers like I am, you're gonna definitely love the smell of these toasted coconuts. And again, I just put these in my toaster oven for a few minutes. Okay, so they get nice and crisp. If you don't, they're gonna be a bit chewy and you're not gonna want, I don't think you're gonna like that. So about 2 cups of the toasted coconut in now, and let's give this a mix. So I've got a baking pan here, and I've lined it with some parchment paper. I'm just going to simply, and again, you guys saw me do this with the others that I had. I'm just gonna scoop these out. Got my little cookie scooper here. And I'm just going to sit these here. I don't have to worry about them spreading apart or anything like that. But here we have it. These are our no-bake white chocolate and coconut with walnut cookies. Anyway, let's put them in the refrigerator to let them set, and then I'll come back and let you know what they taste like. Okay, friends, so I've got my no-bake white chocolate coconut chip cookies out of the refrigerator, and I'm going to give these a taste for you guys right here on camera. Let me let you guys see these little beauties. All right, let's give them a taste. Delicious. These are such a great little treat. They will satisfy your sweet tooth, and yeah, you don't have to worry about any of the guilt. I'm going to put the macros underneath in the description box so that you'll know what you're going to be taking in on a regular basis, but you guys are going to be so pleased with these little yummies. Okay, so I'll also put the recipe and the ingredients in the description box below for you guys. You won't find this one on my website, but it will be listed below for you guys, so enjoy. If you try it, come back and let me know that you've tried it, but these are yummy. All right, everybody, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this spend a day with me video. Didn't do a whole lot, but it was definitely fun just having you guys along. Being able to talk to you guys is always fun, and it's always a pleasure. Guys, if you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, make sure you let me know below if you'd like to spend the day with me videos. I love shooting them, and actually next month is Vlogtober, and I am so excited for that. I will definitely be vlogging all month long. I did that for the first time last year, and I had a blast spending every day with you guys. So be looking forward to that video. But if you'd like a few more spend the day with me videos for the month of September, please let me know in the description box below. Thanks for joining me today, guys. It's always a pleasure. Until the next video, it is my prayer that you and your family have a blessed and a prosperous day, and I'll talk to you next time right here on Sincerely Legit.